But guys, we found this open house in Chicago. There's a lot of mansions here. Looks like they're doing a free tour, open house. We go inside, check it out. What it looks like. Let's go. So a lot of mansions here, big houses. Look at that. There's a garage that can be also a house over there. A gate. Maybe we're gonna check one of those houses. Look at that.
It's over here, but
Is this one?
no, it's
Ah,
not here.
oh,
You still have to go a bit more.
alright. Like this?
No.
What's this? Like a horse?
Yeah, probably.
Just a. Yeah, this area has like a lot of nice houses and mansions. Are we gonna walk for a little bit more?
Yeah, it's right here.
Oh, this?
So this is the $2 million one.
$2 million. This is the house you're checking out. For sale. Oh, yes.
And then they also have another one if you want to see it. But it's, I think, over there.
Okay. Oh, I think they was doing a tour.
Yeah.
I guess I like this one better.
Yeah, it's a little smaller.
Yeah. But still, it's 1 million.
Yeah. Yeah, so I think we should just follow them and
Yeah.
then, the people can talk to them.
Yeah, we just do that. Okay. Let them do the talking. Yeah.
Yeah, look, it has a nice,
Yeah. Wow, look at this.
it smells really nice.
Yeah.
Hi. No, our friends are here. Oh. Nice to meet you.
Hello.
How are y'all doing today? I'm Alex.
Hi,
Hey,
it's
man.
Kazuki.
Nice to meet you.
Nice meeting you. It's cool. We kind of walk around and browse.
Yeah, for sure.
Thank you.
If you wouldn't mind, there's a QR code either there or in the dining room. Just scan it to sign in.
Okay.
Have a look around.
You got that?
Yeah.
Okay.
How are you doing? Okay, Alex.
They have fireplace. Very nice.
So we almost showed that, or just got, we're only showing that.
The house coming with those paintings too. Did it come with this?
No.
paint- Oh no.
I think that was from the test. Wait,
Okay.
this one?
Wow, this is what the house looks like. One of those.
Yeah.
So nice.
It looks like it needs a lot of work though.
Yeah, I can kind of smell the, you know,
Yeah.
it's old, but wow.
Like all of this, it needs to be
No, I mean, I like it though.
updated. Yeah, you know
Yeah.
it.
Like the old. You want me or?
No,
No? Okay.
don't touch it because
Okay, right.
it breaks. Don't touch it.
Wow, it's very nice. Wait, there's more. Wait, hold on.
Oh yeah, there's also upstairs again.
Yeah. Well, I like this little room. Damn, this is $1 million house in
Yeah.
Chicago. Okay, okay, I can browse.
It's like a gym area or something?
Yeah. Yeah, little office, I guess you can.
Yeah, like a gym.
Yeah.
Like over here's already
Yeah.
set.
They get the phone.
It's already slanted though. Like I don't like how it's
Right.
slanted.
Wonder how old this house is. It looks really old, but very nice.
Yeah, I know, right?
We can. Oh, there's bathroom. So,
Oh wow. That's actually in great shape.
yeah. Looks really new.
Oh, yeah, that's
Excuse
We'll
me.
just say, since they're all in there. They will say hi.
I guess I'll give me a second. So, excuse us.
If you want, we can
Yeah. I gotta get the bathroom again though. It looks really nice. Give me a sec.
Yeah.
Yeah. Excuse me. Wow.
The jungle room.
Yeah, it looks really nice. Cover it up and make it look fresh. Excuse me. Oh, excuse me. Excuse me. I guess we can go.
It's really slanted.
No, I like. Oh wow, there's more.
I like this room over here.
Wow.
Has
Yeah.
a nice
Yeah.
ambiance.
Wow, look at this. Oh.
I don't know what you do here. I
don't know.
guess little grill or something.
I guess yeah.
This type though. It's the nut chair.
Nice. Oh wow, look at this.
Other than they still haven't even more upstairs.
A little.
Oh, they put a sink in here?
Wow.
That's interesting.
Yeah.
Oh, and they don't have AC.
Oh, it may not here.
Window AC.
A little storage here.
Yeah. Nice storage area.
Yeah.
We could go upstairs again.
Oh. Oh, it's like a restaurant. Oh wow.
Oh,
There is a little
is
bathroom
there
here.
up more? Or?
No, it's just a bathroom. Pretty cool though.
That one's really small though.
Big enough for me.
This is cool though.
Yeah. Nice.
I'm excited for the other one now.
Yeah.
Well, what's funny is today's so hot, you know, and they haven't switched to cool yet. So I'm like, so hot.
Thank you.
Have a great rest of your day.
You too.
You too.
I believe these are my shoes. Oh, excuse me. There's a nice little porch here. Wow, that was really cool.
They're installing a spa in the basement. They're
Building the exact same thing that was there before.
yeah, it's very
No,
similar
I'm
to
not
what
kidding.
it was.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Excuse
I'm
us.
sorry.
Sorry.
Hey, how are you
Oh,
guys?
good.
You want me to
No, you're
monopolize?
great to meet you guys by the way.
Thank you.
Okay, so are you guys here together?
Yes,
As
we
a
are.
group? Okay, so if I can get one of you to scan the QR code.
I can do it.
Okay, and then shoes either have to come off or you can put these booties
we
on
can
over.
take off.
Yep. And then my work partner Alex, he's inside. So if you guys have questions about the property, you can ask him about it.
Thank you.
All right.
Appreciate it.
Thank you.
Yeah, you're welcome.
Wow, this one is crazy. Look at this.
They recalled a lot of those. Yeah, I remember that. They were
$2 million?
I think that's what.
It was Samsung, so they were banning planes for a minute because they didn't know what's happening, it's catching fire in the air.
Exactly. So
Right.
it's definitely a lot of that. But,
It's a lot more modern.
Yeah, I can tell. Yeah, this one is.
But it's so
Look at that.
just empty and ash is what it once was. But it's kind of a true testament to how well that house is built, because the outside is
Oh wow, this one's yeah, a lot better. This one is.
Oh, the sunroom is
Yeah.
nice.
Oh, I was always wondering what the back of the house looks like. Yeah.
And if you want, you could also go and see it.
I guess yeah. I gotta.
We could go upstairs.
The basement too. Oh wow, there's a lot of shoes here. Like a bathroom.
Yeah.
Oh wow.
That should be a.
That's right. Hello. Wow. Looks nice. Oh. Good.
Kids room.
I wonder why they sell in this house. They just trying to move out.
Yeah, it seems so.
Oh, nice.
So that.
Yeah, it's a nice shower. Oh, there's more. Yep, there's more to go.
This look like that attic. Looks like. Oh, look, it still has the attic right there.
Oh, nice. Attic.
That's cool.
Yeah. A little office here. Oh, yeah. So many bathrooms.
And can be a big TV.
Nice. Wow. Yeah, I need a lot more money.
Yeah. 2 minutes.
Yeah. I think that's all.
Yeah.
Can head back. Let's try that stairs.
exactly. I love that. That's awesome. Perfect. But yeah, awesome. Well, yeah, we'll be in touch.
Is there an entrance to the other side?
No, I don't think so.
No, right?
Yeah, there's a
If you want
basement.
me to-
Yeah, there's a basement.
Well, it looks like they had like
Pets or something.
They do?
a gate, yeah.
Oh, look at this. There's a cool basement here.
Oh, this is the room.
Wow, look at the wineries and wines and all that kind of stuff. Wow. Very nice. I like those books.
It's interesting. A wallpaper.
Yeah. Wow, so cool. Look at that. Oh,
Oh wow, they fit a small
yeah.
bedroom in here.
There's always really nice bathroom.
Yeah.
So cool.
Yeah, man, that's a lot of content.
Yeah. Probably the house as good as it can get in Chicago. Is there anything there? Wow, I like this one. It's really cool. What the hell is this?
It's like a heater.
Yeah. Oh, nice. There's a laundry.
Laundry room.
It's probably a garage or something. So. Oh, I thought this is real. It's just a wallpaper. Oh, interesting. I found the far back. I thought it was real. Like something. Cool.
Your mom would know.
It's a nice table too.
Here's a brochure for you guys. Forgot to do this too.
Oh, thanks so much.
Of course.
Thank you.
That's a beautiful house. It's
Yeah.
nice. I think we saw everything, right?
Yeah.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Thank you.
Thank you.
Of course.
Excuse us. Oh, excuse me. See what house is here.
Hi.
Thank you.
Thank you.
That's really cool.
A very nice house,
Yeah.
isn't it?
Yeah. Is this a 2 million?
Yeah, 1995. So just about.
Wow. I live in a neighborhood. I live
You
in a-
do?
yeah.
I was gonna ask where about.
I live in just a few blocks that way. There's an
Uh-huh.
apartment. But I always walk this area because
Yeah.
all the nice houses.
It's beautiful. Yeah.
There's a like a monument that talks about the architect.
Yeah.
So I was always interested in what the houses look like
Yeah.
inside.
Yeah. Absolutely. There's. They also do tours. Architecture tours
Oh, yeah?
for the block, this block in Hutchinson.
Oh.
So they go into detail about each house and the design and
Okay.
the architect who built them. So
I should
Yeah.
join us sometime.
yeah, you definitely should.
Thanks
Yeah.
so much. It was
You're
really
welcome.
fun.
Good to
Thank
see
you.
guys.
Yeah.
Take care.
You too. Maybe somebody who watch my video is gonna maybe buy this house.
Maybe.
Ah. Hi guys, that was 2 houses in Chicago. Probably some of the best houses here. The last one was $2 million. The other one's a little cheaper, but it's expensive. If you're interested, I'll leave the link of the company selling the houses on the description or comment. If you're interested, you can apply for it.